Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename inputs on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To do that, press the gear button on your remote control, then select All Settings icon to open Settings, select Channels and Inputs, then select External Inputs, select one of your HDMI ports, and after that, you're gonna have to scroll down the list and either select one of the preset names for it, for example, Blu-ray, cable, DVD, games, console, aux, or you can also select the custom name. And if you select the custom name, which is the last option, you'll be able to enter the custom name here. So just remove HDMI 1 and replace it with, for example, PS5, let it be, and then click OK, and now your HDMI 1 is renamed to PS5. And if you press the input button, you'll be able to see which port is your console is connected to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.